Best form builder apps for Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you here some of the best apps to create a form or a form builders as you can name them into the Shopify App Store. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The forms are going to be very essential into the Shopify stores. Maybe you are going to ask why, because simply you are going to collect here as much as you want from informations about your customers, like email addresses and etc. So, and these addresses or these informations are going to be used for later or here marketing purposes for later. So if you are going to create here a email marketing campaign or an ad campaign, you are going to get here some preferences. For example, if you can go ahead and create the forms instead of a, let's say here, a survey. So you're going to know what the customers are going to like, what and what not, what they are going to prefer, and what type of products that they want to see, for example, into your store in the near future. So here, without a further ado, we are going to start by clicking on the search bar on the admin dashboard. Of course, after we've got the access to it, we click on here and then we are going to type in a form like that. And then we are going to search on the Shopify App Store. Here, form is going to be very sufficient to attract here all the apps and see all the suggested app into the App Store. So I'm going basically to name some of the apps into here this list. We are going to here set up, I'm going to choose five, and these five let's say here apps are going to be the some of the best apps that I have used before. So here we have the six. I think I have chosen six. One is not going to be counted. Why? Because it is going to be a standard. Here, as you can see, we have the Shopify forms. So here, this is the standard of the form. So we are going basically here to get a original Shopify form builder, which is going to be a standard. And as you can see, we have a good forms creator. So from Shopify developers. So also you can go ahead and get some animation, not animation, but automations from this specific app. And these automations are going to be here for the marketing purposes. So you can go ahead and get all the data that you want from the customers. This app is going to be here my favorite. Why? Because it is going to be free. So the price of it is going to be free. So that is a huge advantage in comparison for the other apps that will get some free trials and also a let's say a free plan. Now, let's go ahead to talk about the second or the first one, which is going to be Pify Form Builder and also Contact Form. This app is going to be here not the most likable app, but it is going to be here, let's say 50-50, 50 good and a 50 a little bit convenient. Not bad. It is not a bad app, so you're not going to judge it because it is a good app. It has a lot of customizations. As you can see here, we can add the maps, the icon for social media. We can put here a background color for the form and etc. This is amazing. Here, the advantage of this app is going to be the fluidity of using it. So it is very fluid. You can create here some surveys, research form, pre-order forms, quotes, and appointment booking form, and thousands of, let's say, preset forms. So go ahead and use it if you want. We have the POWR form builder and contact form. I have used to use this app for a lot of time, and it is going to be the standard one. So not you're not going basically to get here a fancy app, but you're going to get everything done. So basically, you're going to set up here your RSVP form, the quote form, subscription form, registration, and you're going to collect the data correctly from here. So you're going to put here an internal database into your Shopify store, and you're going to collect the app or the information from this app. Now, for the powerful contact form builder, and here we have, let's say, something that is going to be integrated from the data of a lot of platforms. This is going to be here a huge difference between using this and the other ones. Why? Because it is going to be integratable for form data with your favorite tools like Facebook Pixel, HubSpot, MailChimp, Google Sheets, Zapier, Bravo for, and also Klaviyo. Bravo, Klaviyo, and also MailChimp are going to be some email marketing campaign creators and also managers. We have Slack, we have a lot. Also, Google Analytics, which is going to be the big uh, uh, papa of the data collection, and that is going to be a huge advantage. You have some aesthetic side of the app, as you can see, for creating the form. Like here, we have you can create, for example, booking appointments with a few steps or 2 or 3 steps that you're going to create the form for. So, for example, the first step is going to be the details or personal details, the time, and also date that you're going to choose, and etc. And mm, divide it into multiple layer form. Also, you can go ahead and get the most simplest editor or form adder for the fields as much as you want. So you can get here everything most simplified. Now for the EM form builder, it is going to be here having a free trial, also a free plan. It is going to be something that you're going to set up. Maybe it is going to be here a, let's say, an advanced form creator. So you are going to get here a whole form builder integrated into your Shopify store. And finally, for Qikify Contact Form Builder, it is going to be also an awesome form builder. I have used this Qikify or the Qikify apps for a long, long time, and all their apps are not going to deceive you, and never. Also, they have some integration like from MailChimp and other platforms, and this will help you a lot to generate more, let's say here, high quality leads. So basically, these apps or these 6 apps are going to be the best of the best. Now, I'm going to let you see here of the 6 apps that we have chosen. Basically, here we have the Shopify form, which is going to be the basic of the basic. Here we have the Pify form builder. We have the POWR form builder and contact form. We have the powerful contact form builder, EM form builder, and finally Qikify. All these form builders are going to be also contact builders, so you are going to respond to your clients or your customers about their concerns and their problem, and also some questions. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.